Hello everyone, my name is John Albert, back here again with Spark Science, and today we're looking at CRUD operations within SQL. So we have the same database tables as we've been working with the past couple of weeks, and it's all the same data from last week, except if we look at patients real quick, we can see that there's no jobs. The jobs table is absent, and that's what we're going to be focusing on today. We're going to be focusing on CRUD operations with the jobs table. So jumping right into it, we're going to run a SQL command to create our jobs table. This is part of the C part of CRUD, create. And we can see here shortly that jobs is created with that statement, but we don't have any data. So we can run another SQL command to insert a couple tuples. So then after running that statement, an insert statement, which is another part of C, you can see that there were 2 rows inserted. So we'll take a look real quick. And there are in fact 2 rows inserted, but we had 3 rows of data. If you're going to do this next part graphically, we have a third tuple to add. That's the UUID for it. And then all this other data is already preset for us, so we can just hit go, and it creates the SQL statement for us. Now there is one thing we have to alter, so we're jumping straight to the U of CRUD update, because doing it through SQL, there's no primary key here. So we have to declare our primary key and add it. So we're updating the table to specify what the primary key is. So if we take a look back at the structure real quick, you see that the UID now has the primary key graphical marker. But we created this table, but patients still doesn't have those IDs. So we need to run a quick SQL command to update the patients table with the jobs UID for each of the patients. So we'll just hit go on that real quick, and it broke on me again. Not to worry, just have to delete that space right there, and it works. So if we take a look real quick at our patients table, you can see that there are now UIDs. And then we'll take a look at the R part of CRUD, jumping back. That is the read part. So you're going to be using a multiple join statements linked together to view our entire database. So we're joining each of the tables to patients based on their IDs that patient holds. Now we can't see it all here, so we'll export the chart real quick as a PDF. We'll open that real quick in this browser, and you can see, although squished, that everything is here. Patients table here, then we get location, then hospitals, jobs, lifestyle, and then finally risk. So all the data is here from that one master join statement. And then the last part of CRUD that we'll touch on is the delete. So we go here, SQL, and we're just going to drop jobs. Yells at me, says, do you really want to? I do, and it's dropped. So that was CRUD with SQL within PHP MyAdmin. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.